Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to fix plugged-in headphones not working on Android. So let's get started. The first thing to check is headphone compatibility. If your phone doesn't have a headphone jack, you'll need USB-C headphones. Any other type will simply not work, so double-check that you're using headphones designed for your device. Next, make sure your volume is turned up. Sometimes it's set too low, and it might seem like your headphones aren't working. Go to the sound settings on your phone and ensure the volume is set to a comfortable level. Also, check your media output settings. This is often overlooked. Swipe down from the top of the phone. Open the media output panel and confirm that audio is set to play through your plugged-in headphones, not a Bluetooth device or another speaker nearby. If everything looks good and the sound still isn't coming through, try unplugging your headphones. Wait a few seconds, and plug them back in. This simple step can sometimes reset the connection and fix the issue. Still having trouble? Restarting your device can help reset any temporary glitches. Hold down the power button, wait a little, then select Restart and give your phone a few moments to reboot. As a final step, check if your Android phone has any pending software updates. Go to Settings, then swipe down and look for Software Update. Then click on it. Then download and install any available updates, as these can fix bugs and improve compatibility. And that's how you fix plugged-in headphones not working on Android. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video. Peace out.